everyone, this is Captain Gilbert speaking from Taipei, Taiwan. I hope you someday can come to Taiwan. We have some small talk. Okay, right now we are on the exercise number 6. The third captain trying on this exercise with very hardship and a lot of maneuvering. Okay, let's see what happened right now. Please beware of the target number 21 on our starboard side, which was still outside the traffic lanes yet. This is our last captain have the collision risk, and have the hard time for our captain right now. Okay, the on-ship is on the coast 064 degree, which was parallel with the overtaking vessel on our starboard quarter. And there's one vessel crossing the traffic lane number 12 from our port bow. And through this 3-minute speed vector, after 2 minutes of the exercise, we can see the captain apply hard pull throttles to alter course from 064 to 052 degrees. Actually, this is looking for the trouble because in the port side, there are still 2 other vessels outbound. Try to join the eastbound traffic lane, and we don't know what the intention of the starboard side crossing vessel were doing. Okay, right now we see the captain didn't stop the engine at all, still going at 100%, and the on-ship speed even increased to 20 knots after 1 minute. We don't know what the captain's thinking. Maybe he tried to compete the speed with the starboard side overtaking vessel. It's quite a foolish move, because as long as the course is parallel, there were no collision risk. All we need to do should be reduce the engine, make the vessel passing more easily, not to fighting with our speed with him. So this is the captain have the very jump out conclusion and cannot evaluate all the collision risk in the correct move. After 2 minutes on the course of 052 degrees, Captain now is steering 073 degree, which almost 18 degrees to the starboard side from last course. So this 20 degree to the port side, 20 degree to the starboard side, which caused a lot of confusion for the vessel trying to cross. So right now, on-ship have the collision risk with the vessel number 21, which were crossing from the starboard side. And let's see what the captain do. Captain reduce speed again after in the first minute to right now 50%. So the captain reduced engine slowly and increased the engine speed quickly. So what the rush? Why going on so harsh condition. Why don't the captain just slow down the vessel and take everything nice and easy? So right now, on-ship speed still 18.3 knots, which was our original speed. And after 4 minutes of exercise, vessel finally steady on the 067 degree, but much more closer to the separation line, which was a very bad position for on-ship, because all the ship is sailing near the traffic separation line, especially those crossing the traffic line. So if we were sailing in the outer limit of the traffic lane, we don't need to worry about any vessel coming from the harbor inside. Right now, in 4 minutes time, we have collision risk with vessel 21, exactly after 3 minutes. This is a harsh condition for on-ship to cover, but we are lucky because our starboard side is quite clear, because the vessel already passing from our port bow to starboard beam right now. But in this moment, captain didn't doing anything. All he applied the rudder, starboard 15 and hard starboard without any heading change. Heading only change 5 degrees. This is what we say in the first stage of the rudder maneuvering. The vessel won't respond to the rudder's order, still going on the same coastline as last minute. So captain now have only 2 minutes to the collision spot, which was a very painful moment for the captain, because captain still have to wait and don't know the vessel can clear the starboard side crossing vessel in time or not. And should the captain reduce the engine? Yes, captain reduced to dead slow ahead. This reduced engine gives the rudder effect more ineffective. That means the rudder order is not so quickly responds as the original in high propeller output. So also this makes the captain worried inside his mind. Okay, right now in this radar's picture, we can expect the cargo vessel 21 may be passing the collision point about 30 seconds, and the on-ship will arriving the collision point about 1.5 minutes, plus or minus the 30 seconds of on-ship traveling from the bow to the bridge. So actually we have only 1 minute. 1 minute safety margin to evaluate the situation and to clear of the collision. On-ship speed right now is 13.3 knots after 6 minutes of the exercise, which the speed reduction rate is 6 minutes in 5 knots, less 1 knot per minute. It's not enough for the collision avoidance. So So we can see if we put down the original course and the original speed vector on the picture, we can see what on ship now trying very hard with the hard starboard rudder was trying to get to the original position of on ship with the same speed. So it means the last 6 minutes maneuvering by the master is useless. It's only create a lot of pressure and tension and anxious on the bridge for the quartermaster, for the third mate, for the captain. So this is the bad example of how to handle your ship. The safety rule in this area, in precautional area, is always going to the safe place. Besides all your speed change and all the course change, you get away from the separation line, you get away from many troubles you will be expected. So this is the first rule. Always look for opportunity going outside of the traffic lane, not inside. If you have chance going to stop side, don't go to the port side. This is always the first golden rule.